My name is Callie, and these are the changes I want to see in the Briarcliff CAF. First, I think they should expand and make it bigger. They should add more food stations to include more options for students. And by adding more food stations, we'd have to add more space inside the CAF. And they also should add more space in the CAF because it would allow for students to have more room to move around and for more to be in there at a time. The second thing I want to see change is healthier options for athletes. Almost 90% of campus is athletes, so having healthier choices would benefit majority of the campus since they're all athletes and athletes need to eat healthy. The last thing I would like to see change in the Briarcliff CAF would be longer hours. Basically just be open for longer. Athletes on campus struggle to make it in time due to practices or games. So if it were to be open for longer, then there'd be better chances for athletes to make it. If it's open for longer, it would benefit students a lot more, especially those who have classes during the day during breakfast and lunch hours. If you have it open all day, they can stop by in between one of their classes and grab something to eat. But with the limited hours that the CAF has as of now, it makes this difficult for students. These are some of the things I would like to see change in the Briarcliff CAF.